Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. So over at Daredeviler, they are moving very quick. So the paint job is coming along a lot nicer now. The only problem is we have some bad weather heading our way, some very wet weather, which will get in the way of finishing the paint job before, from what I guess, they want to open it this weekend. The ride looks like it is ready to go. They do have to cycle the orange train, but the red train, from what I understand, is cycled and ready to go. The jet has been removed. It is being stored in the back lot area. So that was really sad to see. It's literally, when you look at it from the drone, it looks like an actual fighter jet just sitting on Wonderland property. It's the funniest thing ever. But also sad at the same time. But as you can see here, the paint jobs come along pretty nicely. They're almost done the layout outside of the lift hill and drop. We should see that theming piece installed. It has been moved closer to Daredeviler. It is in the Kingswood plot of land now, the plane, covered in tarp, so you can't see it. Over at Minebuster, they are nearing completion as well. Just finishing off some woodwork, and the rail work has worked its way almost about halfway through the helix. So they just have about the other half of the helix to finish the running rails for Minebuster. So fingers crossed that this could also start testing any day now. If I had to guess, Wonderland is probably trying to have Daredeviler and Minebuster ready for the long weekend. However, looking at Minebuster, that looks nearly impossible in my opinion. But Daredeviler is definitely something that I could see potentially opening this weekend. But fingers crossed, maybe Minebuster as well. Unfortunately, Leviathan does not look like it's going to have its third train on the track based off of what I can see on the drone. That's pretty crazy in my opinion. Absolutely crazy in my honest opinion, that Wonderland could not have the third train for Leviathan ready. The third train for Behemoth should be ready as soon as the park opens again on Wednesday or Thursday. But outside of that, yeah, here's to hoping Daredeviler and Minebuster open. Because I'm really curious for both these rides, and I'm really excited for Minebuster because this was the last part of the ride that was truly awful. And if it's fixed, which it's going to be fixed because we all experienced the Gravity Group retrack last year, so it's going to be awesome to get on this and just experience a great wooden coaster at the park, especially with that additional airtime hill and the head choppers that have been added. But yeah, outside of that, we'll keep you guys posted. We'll kind of keep our eye on Minebuster and Daredeviler and see if we have any concrete evidence that this ride is going to be ready to go for the long weekend. But yeah, obviously take that with a grain of salt. But I would say we're looking at within the next 2 weeks that these rides could open. It all comes down to weather. If things are nothing gets in the way, I'll word it that way, and everything works out. Anyways, thanks so much for watching today's update. And Patreon, stay tuned for an update tomorrow. Sorry, my computer broke. Everything broke today, by the way. So this is why it's coming out very late. My computer completely crashed. I had to go reinstall Windows and lose everything. On top of that, our internet then went down for a good 2 hours. So yeah, it was not a good day. If you can tell in my voice, I'm exhausted, and I'm going to bed now, and I'm waking up tomorrow, and hopefully everything works. Okay, bye.